Hey mamas and daddies, today we are going to make 3 instant baby food from your food or from adults food because it is calories dense food. It will help your baby to gain weight and these baby foods are powerhouse of nutrients. Let's start right away.
This is soft roti. Apply desi ghee or clarified butter on roti. You can use half roti or whole roti. I give my baby entire roti. Make small pieces of roti according to your baby's need. Put these small pieces of roti in warm milk and cover it for 5 minutes.
You may think, what's a big deal with milk and roti? Wait. There is a big deal. This is not only wheat flour. There is wheat, black chickpea, oats, soybean, corn and ragi.
I can make an entire 30 minutes video if I elaborate all the ingredients used in it and their health benefits. My baby is 1 year plus. I have used full cream boiled milk with cream.
Because now my baby is 1 year plus, I have introduced sugar to her because anyways the entire family eats little bit sugar, so she will automatically eat sugar. Milk, roti, ghee, dry fruits powder and dry date powder or jaggery powder or sugar. It is a powerhouse of nutrients and it is calories dense food.
I taste each food before I give it to baby. This baby food is delicious.
Imani, give me high five. Please go. Your each hit on thumbs up means a lot for me. Please hit the like button.
This is soft roti. Apply desi ghee or clarified butter on roti. Make small pieces of roti according to your baby's need. This is mixed dal. There is onion, garlic, tomato, cumin, mustard seeds, asafoetida, turmeric, chili powder. My suggestion: after 9 months of age, please introduce baby medium spicy food and let baby develop taste for it. So when baby is 1 year or 1.5 year old and you need to travel with baby or you need to go out in any party, wedding or birthday, baby will be able to eat anything anywhere. If you cook special blend food for baby and baby have not developed taste for spices, everywhere you will go, you will need to carry baby food with you.
If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe my channel and help me to grow my channel.
Puffed rice, dry date powder or sugar, curd. If baby is 6 to 8 month old, you can roast puffed rice and make powder of it. From 9th month, you can use whole puffed rice. It will be soft in curd and sugar and baby will learn to chew and swallow it.
Mamas and daddies, I have a micro Preemie channel in Hindi as well. Link is in the description. Please subscribe my channel and help me to reach to the broader audience. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you very soon with next very informative video. Lot of love to parents and their babies.